Ancestors.
ANCESTORS पूर्वज.
Dictate.
DICTATE dictate आदेश आज्ञा.
Venerated.
VENERATED venerated आज्ञा आदेश. सम्मानित करना.
पूजना. Respected deeply. Prematurely.
PREMATURELY
गलत हो गया. PREMATURELY prematurely.
असमय से.
Before the usual or proper time. Curse.
CURSE कर्स श्राप.
Wronged.
WRONGED wrong गलत करना, हानि पहुंचाना.
Bidding.
बिडिंग BIDDING बिडिंग आज्ञा आदेश.
Command, order. Mock.
MOCKED
MOCK mock.
मजाक उड़ाना.
Ridicule. Plight. PLIGST polite. दशा दुर्दशा. Supplicated. CATED. याचना, विनती किया. Who was Emperor Yayati?
Emperor Yayati was one of the ancestors of Pandavas.
How did Ayati become old? Who cursed him?
Yayati
became
prematurely old by the curse of Shukracharya,
for having wronged his wife.
wronged with his wife Devyani.
Wronged his wife Devyani.
Shukracharya cursed him.
Was Ayati devoid of a sensual desires?
Yes, Yayati
Was devoid of sensual desires. What was the reply of his eldest son?
His eldest son replied that the
women and servants
mocked at him if he exchanged
if he was to take upon himself his old age. Why did he become angry?
He angry because
he became angry
because his four sons
three sons had declined to do as he wished. What are the symptoms of an old man?
Gray wrinkles, disability and grey hairs are the symptoms of old man.
Who was Puru? Did he accept his father's proposal?
Puru was the eldest son of Puru was the youngest son
among 5 sons of Emperor Yayati.
Youngest son among the 5 sons
among 5 sons Emperor Yayati.
Of Emperor Yayati. He accepted his
accepted the proposal of his father. Father's proposal. Sensual desire is a everlasting. Whose thought is this?
Sensual desire is everlasting. It is thought of Yayati.
Is the thought of Ayati. Why did Ayati resume his old age?
Yayati realized sensual desire is everlasting. It
cannot be quenched by. It cannot be quenched by
indulgence. So no object of desires
can satisfy
of the desires of a man. So he resumed his
old age. Do corn, gold, cattle and women satisfy the desire of a man?
No, cattle, gold and
corn, gold, cattle and women
cattle, gold
and women do not
satisfy the desires of man.